Welcome to week 6. So far in this course, we've looked at the purposes of reading, strategies to help students get to the deeper meaning of text, the use of supplemental reading materials to teach content reading, dyslexia and strategies for teaching students diagnosed with this particular learning disorder, the purpose of formative and summative assessments and how to apply the data gathered from formative assessments to guide further instruction. We've talked at length about appropriate teaching strategies for pre-reading, during reading, and post-reading, the role of textbooks in vocabulary instruction. I hope that you have had an opportunity to take a look at the work of Dorothy Freyer, Isabel Beck, and Robert Marzano. Well, this week, our focus shifts to instructional strategies to assist struggling readers and students of diversity, including English language learners. Also included this week, we are going to be examining our personal cultural views through a taxonomy of cultural responsiveness. Here are the learning outcomes for the week. Your assigned reading this week is Chapter 11 in the Daniels and Zemmelman text. That is Help for Struggling Readers. And it is full of strategies to help struggling readers. All right, let's take a look at the PowerPoint. Okay, here we are at our PowerPoint for week 6. The read aloud modeled this week is How to Make an Apple Pie and See the World by Marjorie Priceman. This text can be used in many different content areas, such as social studies, math, and science. The CAEP draft standard directly addresses diversity. I want you to take a look at this taxonomy of cultural responsiveness. According to the Ohio Department of Education, English learners are a growing part of the pre-K-12 student population. Ohio is now home to approximately 60,000 English learner students. Spanish is the home language of almost 40% of Ohio's English learners, along with 90 other home languages. Just to name a few of these languages: Somali, Arabic, Swahili, Chinese, and Japanese. Under the Every Student Succeeds Act, Ohio must identify English learners, annually assess their English language proficiency, provide reasonable accommodations for them on state assessments, and implement accountability systems that include long-term goals and measures of progress. Next, we have a glossary of acronyms and abbreviation regarding the English learner. And the remainder of the PowerPoint focuses on ways to facilitate academic growth of English learners and struggling readers. If you only take one point from this class, it should be the importance of background knowledge when teaching content, and it is the teacher's job to create and support that knowledge. Thank you.